In this video, we're talking all about cordless drills and why they're an absolute must-have for putting together furniture, hanging shelves, and getting those random repairs done around your place. So, first up, cordless drills give you the freedom to move wherever you want, no cords holding you back, which is clutch when you're working in tight spots or outside. You want to start with a drill that's lightweight, but still packs a punch, so you don't get tired halfway through your project. Make sure you get one with a decent battery life because nothing kills the vibe faster than your drill dying mid-job. Also, having different speed settings on your drill can be super helpful depending on what you're working on, like low speed for screws and higher speed for drilling holes. Don't forget to grab some good drill bits too, since the right bit makes all the difference between a smooth job and a frustrating mess. If you're new to this, practice on some scrap wood before going all in on your project, that way you get the feel without any stress. When using your cordless drill, keep the pressure steady and let the drill do the work instead of forcing it. And always remember safety stuff like goggles and gloves because accidents happen even when you think you're just doing quick fixes. One of the biggest mess-ups people make with cordless drills is not charging the battery fully before starting, which just slows everything down. Another common issue is using the wrong drill bit for the material, like trying to drill wood with a metal bit, and that usually ends with a stripped screw or a damaged surface. Lastly, folks often forget to clean their drill and bits after use, which can cause rust or wear and tear faster than you'd expect. A quick wipe down can save you money and headaches in the long run. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer because it hooks up homeowners like you with reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for steady gigs, it's a solid spot to find work and grow your business without the usual hassle.